Hello, practice questions on electrostatics. Question number 1. Which of the following are the fundamental forces in nature? 1. Gravitational force, yes. Electromagnetic force, yes. Weak nuclear force, yeah. Strong nuclear force, yes. So the answer is D. 2. Which of the four fundamental forces in nature is the weakest as well as long-ranged force? The answer here is A. Gravitational force. 3. Which one of these systems has the most negative charge? 2 electrons, 3 electrons and 1 proton, so the resultant charge is 2 electrons. Here is 2 electrons, 5 electrons and 5 protons, so 0. The n electrons and n minus 3 protons. This one seems to be the right answer because if this n is more than 5, let's say 6, so here we have 6 minus 3, which is 3 electrons, so this is the right answer. 4. Which of the following is an SI unit of a charge? Of course, it's coulomb. 5. Which of the following is correct for the charge of electrons, protons, and neutrons? So the electron is negative, positive, and neutron, so the answer is C. 6. Consider 2 protons placed near one another with no other objects close by. They would, of course, they will accelerate away from each other. Yes, the answer is A. 7. When a metal plate is given a positive charge, which of the following is taking place? Positive charge are transferred to the plate? No, because it's positively charged. To the plate from another? No, we cannot transfer positive charge. Negative charges are transferred from the plate to another object? Yes. 8. Like charges repel and unlike charges attack. So let's see. 9. Which of the following statements is or are true regarding electric charges? Like charges attract? That's wrong. Unlike charges attract? Yes, that's right. If a neutral object gains electrons, it becomes positively charged? That's wrong. If a neutral object loses electrons, it becomes positively charged? That's right. So the right answer is 2 and 4. So it's D. 10. When a rubber rod is rubbed with rabbit fur, the rod becomes negatively charged. 11. When a glass rod is rubbed with a polyester scarf, the rod becomes positively charged. 12. A metal sphere X has an initial net charge of negative 6 times 10 to the power of negative 6 coulomb, and an identical sphere Y has an initial net charge of positive 2 times 10 to the power of negative 6 coulombs. The spheres touch each other and then separate. What is the net charge on sphere X after the spheres have separated? Once they touch each other, the negative 6 or the X will give negative 4 to the positive 2 here. That means they will tend to be in balance. So both of them becomes negative 2 times 10 to the power of negative 6. Both of them. So the right answer here is B. 13. How many electrons does it take to make 1 coulomb of a charge? To solve this, we know that the Q, the charge, equals number of elementary charge, which is E. So if we want to get the number, it's equal to Q over the elementary charge, which is E. That means it's 1 over 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19, and the answer will be 6.24 times 10 to the power of 18. 14. A glass rod is charged by friction, during which 13 times 10 to the power of 10 electrons are removed from the rod. What is the charge on the rod? To calculate the charge, we multiply the number of electrons times the elementary charge to get Q equals Ne. That means 13 times 10 to the power of 10 times 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19. This number is negative. So we will get the answer D here. Nano is 10 to the power of negative 9. So do the calculations and you'll get the answer. 15. A negatively charged conductor attracts a second object. The second object could be which of the following? A conductor with positive net charge? Yes. A conductor with zero net charge? Yes. An insulator with zero net charge? Yes. So the right answer here is D. 16. Two lightweight metal spheres are suspended near each other from insulating threads. One sphere has a netted charge, the other sphere has no netted charge. The spheres will attract each other. A.